Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, Zillonians? I hope you're doing awesome. Thank you for checking out another video. Thanks for also the new supporters here, the new subscribers. It's great to see the channel slowly, organically growing like the way it is. So if you're new here, also do subscribe, consider that. Massive thanks to the patrons as well. You're awesome. And we can see here, it looks like we have taken a nice bounce to the upside with the whole of the crypto market cap has taken a big impulse, 15% jump. So we can see basically yesterday we were in extreme fear and we're already sitting pretty as a neutral position on the crypto fear and greed index. So does it make you think we're going to consolidate around this sort of emotional cycle, or are we going to lead towards that greedy zone? Hopefully we don't get there too soon, because we don't want to experience euphoria and thrill again, because what happens is you just see another drop to the downside much quicker than you'd actually want to happen. So yeah, first things first, let's hop into a little bit of news. Today we can see with the on-chain analysis, what's kind of happening over time is, and I suppose this is slightly bullish and bearish news, but we can see there's a persistent decline in deposits. So that means the unique investors getting into crypto today is actually dropping. So maybe we're going to see an uptrend again when there's actually a new Bitcoin halvening or some type of catalyst to a much stronger bull market cycle. On the contrary, we do have consistent withdrawers, which are the hodlers in the market. And that's very important. We can see that they're holding this bottom line, and that's why we've got so much support at these particular key areas. Even with all the geopolitical crisis, we're still holding this particular level, which is extremely critical in order to remain bullish for the remainder of this quarter, which is actually pretty much over, but I'm still calling for a very bullish April. Just sense it for some reason. And yeah, another great bit of news today. eBay could soon permit Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, so that's going to be basically creating global exposure to a whole new demographic, to people that don't even know what cryptocurrency is. Obviously showing that it's not just a digital storage of value, a commodity. It's got utility as a currency that can actually provide benefit in the sense that you can buy products and services with it. So today we're looking at Zilliqa, trading at $0.043, rank 129, and we can see we've got a market cap of 615 million there, about 10%, trading volume to our market cap, which is pretty good to see, because we want people to be trading and actually knowing what the project is and also using the project. So over 30 days we're only down 5% now, so it looks really good. On that 24 hours we're up 10.4%, 7 days we're up 10% as well. So let's hop into the juicy chart, see what can potentially happen on a resistance, support, price prediction level. Of course, guys, if you want to become a patron, price for coffee, you get one-on-one messaging, you receive this awesome ebook, you'll get Discord access and also access to giveaways with more entries, more chances to win. So let's go into it. We can see basically on the daily time frame, we had a huge correction from the $0.025 level. And I think what's important to notice is that we are trading in this falling wedge at the moment, and usually in a bull market the falling wedge does break to the upside. So I'm anticipating that we're going to retest this 20-day moving average and break through it, retest the 0.047 resistance zone, and then slowly make our way up to probably around 0.069. You can also look at this as a slanted double bottom. So if we were to produce the second bottom here, we break out at this particular level, we can measure the depth from the neckline of the double bottom, and we can use that to find our technical target, which brings us up to that 0.071 level, which is back into the support band, the bull market support band. So that's a very crucial play out. I think it's quite possible to see this 28% pump to the upside. So that's the bullish scenarios, that we break through this resistance, break through 0.0047. We are looking like we're going to get a crossover, a bullish crossover on the MACD, which is really nice to see. We're lacking a bit of volume, but I've just acknowledged that if we get rejected at this particular resistance right here on the 0.044, we can easily fold back down to this support level over here at 0.033. I think it's quite unlikely. I think we're going to see more continuation to the upside, given that we've got all this momentum and we've got all these strong wicks that reflect absolutely powerful buying pressure in the market right now. 4 hour time frame is just going to illustrate a little bit further what's going on. We had a head and shoulders over here which is really nice to see. If I can just try and draw this one out for you. So this is on the 4-hour time frame. Just a small head and shoulders, something like that. Now if you can see that, we broke that with confidence, and now we've got the impulse from 0.038 all the way up to this particular level here. So really important that we had this double bottom, this head and shoulders. My bad. So this head and shoulders is reflecting strength once again, and what can happen from here is that we complete a, so this head and shoulders will turn into a continuation pattern, and that will create a double bottom for us to potentially break out from, and that's where we see the 0.068 for Zilliqa, because it is one of our medium cap gems, 615 million market cap, so the potential for huge growth is insane should the project pick up and work on marketing and more other sort of public relations and partnerships for the future. So that's one thing to consider. Bullish scenarios, 3 reasons to be bullish right now. Falling wedge, very bullish. The head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour time frame, very bullish. We also have the double bottom potential formation, which is also extremely bullish too. So that's why I think ZIL is potentially a good buy right now. And I guess I can also give you one more reason. That is, if you look at the Fibonacci retracement, you can see we are below that 0.786, which does usually indicate an undervaluation or reaccumulation opportunity within a bull cycle. So they're the reasons. If you like the video, do smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Leave suggestions as well, leave any feedback, whatever you want to say about this project. Give advice, do whatever you want to, guys. I'll be there to read your comments. I've been getting back to lots of you, and it's good to see you enjoying the content. So see you soon, guys.